Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install and use 2 Facebook accounts on your Android device. If this is your first time here and you find value in this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot and it helps the channel to grow. Without further ado, let's get started. On this device, if we open the app drawer and try and find Facebook, we can see here that I only have one Facebook app installed on this device. Now what we want to do is to add a second Facebook app so we can use another account on the same phone. To do that, let's go to the settings. Mine is right here on the second page. Let's tap there and then scroll down until we find advanced features right here. Tap there. Inside advanced features, let's scroll down again until we find dual messenger, which is this option here. Let's tap here. Now here inside dual messenger settings, you have a list of applications you can duplicate. And the one that we want to duplicate here is Facebook, and you can see Facebook right here. If you don't have Facebook here, you need to first install Facebook through Google Play Store. Now here, to have a second Facebook application, just tap on this toggle to turn this option on. You'll get this pop-up notification down here asking if you want to install a copy of Facebook. Since this is what we want to do, let's tap on install to proceed. Once it finishes, you'll get this notification saying that a copy of Facebook was installed. Now let's go back and open the app drawer to check if we really have 2 Facebook applications installed on this device. As you can see, I have here 2 Facebook apps installed on this device. The second one has a copy icon on the bottom right corner. Just to be sure and show that everything is working, I'm gonna tap on the first Facebook app. As you can see, this one is working. Let's go back. I'm gonna tap now on the second one. And you can see that the second one is also working. You just have to put there your credentials so that you have your second account running on this instance of the app. If for some reason you decide that you want to uninstall this copy of the Facebook app, let me show you how you can do that. Just go to the settings. Mine is right here. Tap there. Scroll down. Right here where you have advanced features, tap there. Scroll down again until we find dual messenger, tap there. Now here inside dual messenger you have Facebook, and you can see that on this side this feature is on. To uninstall, what we have to do is just tap on this toggle to turn this option off. If this is really what you want, what you have to do is click disable, and it will uninstall the Facebook copy from your device. Well everyone, this is how you can officially have 2 Facebook apps running on your Android device, which will allow you to have 2 different accounts running on it. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot and it helps the channel to grow. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.